Soyez le bienvenu, mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Cours civique questionnaire encore pour les démarches administratives ou la formation civique. OK. Question. Why? Pourquoi? Pourquoi faire les cours civiques? Pour connaître ses droits et devoirs en tant que résident ou citoyen français. Know your rights and responsibilities as a resident or French citizen. Aussi, pour savoir effectuer ces démarches administratives. Know how to complete, okay, your administrative procedure. Like what? This question. Quand faut-il anticiper le renouvellement d'un titre de séjour? When should the renewal of a residence permit be anticipated? A. Avant son expiration avec un dossier complet, before it expires with a complete application. B. Après plusieurs années sans démarche, after several years without taking any action. C. Uniquement après une convocation de la mairie, only after receiving a summons from the town hall. And D. Jamais le renouvellement est automatique. Never renewal is automatic. Do you agree with that? Quand faut-il anticiper le renouvellement d'un titre de séjour? When should the renewal of the residence permit be anticipated? Let's check. What is your answer, please? And la bonne réponse, the correct answer is réponse A. Avant son expiration avec un dossier complet. A. Before it expires with, of course, a complete documents or file. Justification. Il faut s'informer auprès de l'ANEF ou de la préfecture, anticiper la demande et préparer les justificatifs nécessaires pour éviter une rupture du droit. What is that? It is necessary to get information now from ANEF, ANEF or ANEF, or the prefecture. It depends what prefecture are you in. Anticipate the request and prepare the required supporting documents to avoid a loss of rights. Now, in France, we have the ANEF for those who have papers now. ANEF. Okay? ANOF or ANEF. It is done by internet. You need to make your dossier, créer votre dossier. You make your own, and then you will have the number there and complete it. And then when you renew, you just go there and submit all the documents needed. Why? Because it says to avoid a loss of rights. Because if you will not what do you call that, if you will not do renew it, you will not renew, you will lose your rights. Where there are many people, because they don't have the renewal, even a recipe or extension, they lost their jobs, okay, because they don't have the right to work without paper. So, and sometimes now you have a penalty. You will have the penalties if you don't renew your paper. So please, when it's the day of renewal, 3 months before, Normally, it's 3 months before. You can already check. Or 6 months before, and then they will say it's too early. Then 3 months before, and that will be, your documents will be forwarded to the French government, à la préfecture. Okay? And that is called ANEF. It's by internet now. Before, it's manually by call or by interview. Now, it's directly with ANEF. This is a new one. And I hope it's clear. And please, before expiring your card, and don't forget to renew, even though it is only 1 year, 2 years, 4 years, or 10 years card, because it depends on what card do you have. Okay, but if you're French nationality, no need to renew. I see, after 10 years. Okay, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde. Ciao, ciao.